Imagine yourself in a paradise where the sun kisses the ocean, where the sands are as white as pearls, and where time seems to stand still. This is the Maldives, a tropical haven nestled in the heart of the Indian Ocean. Welcome. From being your guide to pre-travel preparations, to helping choose the perfect resort, from teaching you how to immerse in the local culture, to showing you how to maximize relaxation, we've got it all covered. Consider this video your travel buddy, instructing you on how to navigate the numerous islands, each one offering a unique experience. We'll equip you with insider tips and tricks to ensure your adventure in the Maldives transcends your wildest dreams. So, are you ready to embark on this journey of a lifetime? Excellent. Let's dive deep into the details and help you plan a trip you'll never forget. Welcome to the preparations and planning segment of our travel channel. As the adage proclaims, if you don't prepare, you are preparing to fail. We're here to ensure you're thoroughly prepared for your exciting journey to the Maldives. The foundation of any successful vacation lies in thorough preparation. This is even more essential when you're traveling to a destination as distinctive as the Maldives. You're not merely getting ready for a journey, you're equipping yourself for an extraordinary experience. So, where do we begin? We kick off with visa information. The Maldives generously provides a 30-day visa on arrival for all nationalities, without any charges. However, don't rely solely on our word. Be sure to corroborate the latest visa norms with your local Maldivian embassy or consulate. Afterwards, we'll dive into the packing necessities. The Maldives embodies sun, sea, and sand. Consequently, your packing checklist should unquestionably include swimwear, beach towels, and sunblock. Indeed, sunblock is indispensable. The Maldivian sun can be fierce, and we certainly wouldn't want you to come back from your vacation looking sunburnt, right? Concerning attire, opt for light and airy clothing. The weather is tropical, so cotton apparel, hats, and sandals are your safest choice. And remember your sunglasses. You'll need them to appreciate the mesmerizing turquoise waters without squinting. Following this, we'll discuss health-related tips. It's recommended to be current with routine vaccinations before any travel. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention suggest specific vaccines for the Maldives, so refer their website for the most recent details. Lastly, and importantly, travel insurance. It's something you wish you'll never need, but should the unexpected occur, you'll be grateful you have it. Make sure your policy includes coverage for medical emergencies, trip cancellation, and misplaced luggage. Because let's be real, even in paradise, things can go awry. With these pre-journey tips, you're geared up for a seamless journey to paradise. Now prepare, pack up, and get set for the most incredible adventure. Up next, we'll discuss how to choose the perfect resort for your stay in the Maldives. Hang around. The Maldives is famous for its luxurious resorts, but how do you choose the one that's just right for you? This is where the journey becomes exciting, folks. You see, the selection process is more than just about picking a place with a beautiful view. Let's unravel the secrets to choosing the perfect resort for your dream vacation. First, define what your ideal vacation looks like. Is it filled with adrenaline-pumping water sports, or are you more into soaking up the sun with a good book? Maybe you're a foodie who's excited to try Maldivian cuisine, or perhaps spa treatments are your idea of heaven. Whatever your preference, there's a resort out there that caters to your unique desires. Next, consider your budget. The Maldives offers a wide range of resorts, from the modestly priced to the ultra-luxurious. Don't be shy to compare prices and check for hidden fees. Remember, a dream vacation doesn't have to break the bank. Location, location, location. Yes, it's an overused phrase, but it's crucial when choosing your resort. Some resorts are closer to the capital city, providing easy access to local markets and cultural sites. Others are tucked away on secluded islands, offering privacy and tranquility. Think about what's important to you. Now let's talk about facilities and activities. Do you want a resort with a fitness center, a kids club, or perhaps a dive center? How about water sports like jet skiing or cultural activities such as Maldivian cooking classes? Make sure the resort you choose offers the amenities and activities that matter most to you. Meal plans are another factor to consider. Some resorts offer all-inclusive packages while others allow you to pay as you go. Think about your eating habits and choose a plan that suits your lifestyle. Choosing the right resort is key to enjoying your Maldivian getaway. It's not just about where you stay, but how that place enhances your vacation. Remember, your resort is more than just a place to sleep. It's where you'll make memories that will last a lifetime. The Maldives is more than just beautiful beaches and resorts. It's a place rich in culture and history. Imagine a world beyond the turquoise waters and the white sandy beaches. A world that's alive with the music of Bodubaru drums, the aroma of spicy Maldivian curry, and the warmth of the ever-smiling locals. One of the best ways to truly immerse yourself in the Maldivian culture is by stepping off the beaten path and visiting the local islands. Here, you can witness the simple yet fulfilling life of the islanders. The intricate craftwork, the bustling fish markets, the traditional homes painted in a riot of colors, and the children playing in the narrow lanes, all paint a picture of a life that's uniquely Maldivian. Maldivian cuisine offers a gastronomic adventure that you wouldn't want to miss. The traditional Maldivian food is a delightful blend of the flavors of the Indian subcontinent, with a twist of the unique local ingredients. Picture this: warm coconut rice served with spicy fish curry, a side of pickled vegetables, and a generous helping of sweetened coconut. It's a symphony of flavors that will dance on your palate. Now let's talk about history and traditions. The Maldives has a rich history that dates back over 2,000 years. The country's traditions are deeply rooted in its history, with influences from Africa, the Arab world, and South Asia. Take the time to learn about the country's heritage. Visit the ancient mosques, explore the historical ruins, or take part in a traditional music or dance performance. Remember, travel is not just about seeing new places. It's about experiencing new cultures, tasting new cuisines, and understanding the history and traditions of a place. So, when you're in the Maldives, don't just stay in your resort. Step out, explore, and immerse yourself in the vibrant local culture. I guarantee exploring local culture will add depth and richness to your Maldivian experience. You're in the Maldives to relax, so let's talk about how to truly unwind. Picture this: you, the crystal clear waters, the gentle rustle of palm leaves, and nothing else. It's time to unplug. Leave your gadgets behind and let the natural beauty of this tropical paradise be your main source of entertainment. You'll find that the simple act of watching the sunset, feeling the sand between your toes, or listening to the waves crash against the shore can be incredibly therapeutic. And don't forget about the wellness activities and spa treatments offered by the resorts. Indulge in a rejuvenating massage, partake in a yoga class by the beach, or simply lay back and let the world pass by. These moments of tranquility are not only enjoyable but also essential for resetting your mind and body. Remember, relaxation is the key to enjoying your Maldivian holiday to the fullest. So, there you have it. A comprehensive guide to making the most of your trip to the Maldives. We've journeyed through all the essential steps together. Starting with pre-travel preparation, we highlighted the importance of planning ahead, from checking the weather to packing the essentials. Next, we delved into the world of resorts. Remember, the right resort can make or break your vacation, so choose wisely. We talked about considering factors like location, amenities, and customer reviews before making a decision. We also explored the rich local culture, emphasizing the value of stepping out of your comfort zone to truly experience the Maldivian way of life. Try local cuisines, participate in traditional activities, and interact with the locals. And of course, we discussed maximizing relaxation. After all, what's a vacation without some downtime? With these tips in hand, you're ready for an unforgettable Maldivian adventure. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more travel tips.